control, crap. Where did Amy go? She was right in front of me.
Dino, come over here.
Ah, my bones! Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Sometimes I wonder how I taste, lol. Why are you running? Why are you running? Zawardo! So, what do you do with your victims? You're hired. Screw gravity. Someone sent me a YouTube link. Are you freaking kidding me? Unlock the door, Fleetway.
No.
You locked the door, Fleetway? You locked the door, Fleetway? This is madness. This is Sparta. Yo.exe, wanna see these? This is what, Zeno? See these nuts? Get out of my house.
Hey Zeno, did you know that it's really easy to hack your third?
Shut up. I miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back. I'm going to jump.
Do a flip.
Hello, young lady. Back in my lair once more. How many times are you gonna run? I've catch you 17 different times.
I think it's gonna be at least 18.
Dr. Cassie and this fox. I did a funny. Got your nose. Got a nose. Can you take us to the Barbie movie, please? We need calm. The world needs him. I'm going to kill you and then kill you again.
Go ahead. I have 30 alternative accounts. My finger's right next to the delete button, Zeno. What you gonna do now with your long toothpick legs?
You fool! I have 70 alternative accounts. You'll never know
Are you
my
referring
name.
to Crystal Head 1, Crystal Head 2, Crystal
I
Head...
told you I have alternatives. I like it gut cheese. He's just standing there, menacingly. Oh crap. Get away from me! Imagine getting killed by your old friends, lol.
I will injure you.
X. Is that an Amy? No, I think that's a rock. Oh, okay. That's it, bro. Give me that damn phone!
Hey, what time is it?
It's medication time. This is better. That's it. I'm gonna say the N-word. That's racist. You can't say the N-word. Hey, buddy, look over here. Now you're dead. Hydrosity zone, here we go.
Actually, it's pronounced as Hydro City.
I'm pretty sure it's pronounced as hydrosity.
No, it's pronounced as Hydro City. It's basically a city filled with water.
No, it's hydrosity.
No, it's Hydro City.
Hydrosity.
Hydro City.
Hydrosity.
Hydro City.
It's Watertown.
Lord, shut up.
My man. Hell no. What the hell is going on in Atlanta? Me and Monday. Yep, that's definitely me. Birthday gifts are just more fun than dying this year. Soda and juice is chlorine-flavored water. I'm going to get really silly, and no one will stop me. If you can't be the best, be the worst. Be the reason why Sonic blocks you. How did it even get here? Gamers, today we're gonna be playing Sonic Adventure 2, and oh my god! At first, I lolled, and then I serious. Who put you on the planet? Oh, I found you. Faker. You're the fake hedgehog around here. You're not even good to be my friend. I'll make you eat those words. I'm upgrading my audio equipment. I've upgraded my audio equipment. Finally, I can keep these pennies to myself now. What the hell? I smell pennies. Remember, son, dying is gay. Yes, father. Have you ever heard the term fight or flight? Finally, God, take me. I want it now. Sup, kid? Shrink or you?
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, crap. Leave me alone. Who'll save me now? Yo, is that Saster?
Hi guys, I'm Saster.
Yo! You know what? I do want my fries with my fries. Feed it a chili dog. Everyone loves chili dogs.
I don't think you can eat solid food.
Well, then put it in the blender. Okay, if you say so. The chili dog's not the baby. Okay, that makes much more sense.
Hi, Zeno. I've been meaning to tell you something,
Shut up, you stupid kid. Hiya! Snooping as usual, I see. Oh yeah, this is happening. Yo, Luther, have you went to Shukan? What Shukan? Went to Shukan these nuts? No wonder your father left you. Nobody's faster than me. Need any help? No! Imagine having a simple and basic mod.
Well, at least mine didn't get cancelled, unlike yours, of course.
Yo, Zeno! Get out of my room, I'm playing Sonic Frontiers! Okay.
Is he coming out with us, or...?
Oh, damn. If you're Sonic.exe, and you're Sonic.exe, and I'm Sonic.exe, then who's flying the damn plane?
Nothing personal, kid. What was that?
I have no idea.
Rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go, gotta follow my rainbow.
Hey, watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
Only one way to find out. Must keep on moving ahead. No time for guessing, follow my pen instead. Trusting in what you can see. Take my lead, I'll set you free. Follow me.
I still ate your door frame.